We welcome you for today's this little ceremony at Our Lady of My Deus Chapel at Shivalim Gausawado. Today, 1st May, and every year on 1st May during this novena, we have this particular event here that is called crowning of the statue of Our Lady of Fatima. And this is something unique about this place. It only happens in this particular place, nowhere else. Not in India and other parts maybe, but in Goa it is the only place where this event is held. The traditional of crowning of a is done by a young maiden who is going to get married very soon. She will have the honor of crowning the statue of Our Lady of Fatima. So today we have from our Wado, Franza Fernandez. She has the privilege of crowning the statue of Our Lady of Fatima. We pray for her. We pray for all the devotees who are gathered here so that this ceremony may help us to come closer to God through the intercession of Our Lady of Fatima. This novena is going on and we are celebrating Feast of our Chapel on 3rd of May, for which the auxiliary bishop, Bishop Sima Fernandez, will be coming. But today, this particular event is something very important, and we all have gathered here to witness it. And we all are rejoicing and praying very specially for our beloved sister Franza Fernandez, who has the honor. And we thank you for covering this event, and we pray for you also. With this in mind, we in God's name and with special prayers. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ganza Fernandez. I'm from Gausawada Shodan. I'm so I'm feeling so blessed and that I had the honor of crowning Mother Mary today. I just feel so overwhelmed with emotion, and I'm very happy that I requested our chapel members if I could do it this year, and they so readily agreed to it, and it just feels so surreal standing over here, and I'm just so grateful to God.
How have you prepared yourself?
So I've been. This is a day that I have dreamed about since I was a child. I've seen this tradition happen over here, and I would see the bride and I would see all the flowers, and it was it was like a fairy tale. And I knew that one day I wanted to be part of it, but I did not imagine that it would happen this year. This just happened suddenly, and I just felt like I need to do it this year. I need to crown Mother Mary this year, and I've prepared myself by I've been praying, and I've been involved in basically everything as in the preparations for this day, and it just feels unbelievable, and it's very beautiful.
What is your wish now? What are you praying for?
I'm just praying for Mother Mary's blessings on all the maiden girls, as I'm representing the maiden girls today from Mavado, the future brides to be. I'm praying to Mother Mary for her blessings on us, and for her protection and for her guidance on our life.
So, what's the message to the upcoming?
My message to the upcoming uh, maiden girls and all the brides to be it's very simple. Just hold your faith and trust in God, trust in His timing, and just know that you are so blessed and so loved, and then Mother Mary is walking with you in every step of your journey along the way.
What's the reaction of your family?
My family was very happy. They were very overjoyed that I agreed to do this. We were again, like I said, I had not planned. I had no idea that I was going to. I knew eventually that I wanted to do it. It was like a quiet dream in my head, but I never pictured that it would happen this year. All of a sudden, when they announced if anyone wants to do the crowning. I just felt like my mom told me like that they like she asked me if I want to do the crowning, and I just felt this sudden feeling that I need to do it this year, and it just happened, and it's really beautiful.
प्रेमीक गिरेस्तकायेन तशेंच धर्मीक गिरेस्तकायेन नेटयलोलो आसा. ह्या गांवचो एक खाशेलो भाग म्हणल्यार आमचो वाडो गांवचा वाडो. सियोलेची पयली इगोर्ज आमच्या वाड्यांत बांदलेली. गांवस ह्या लोकांचो जमो ह्या वाड्यांत रावतालो म्हूण हें नांव गांवचा वाडो. ही इगोर्ज बांदून माय देव सायबिणींक भेटयलोली आनी ही इगोर्ज फकत 32 वर्सां तिगली. ह्याच जाग्यार मागीर 1927 वर्सा माय देवस कपेल बांदले. फादर लाजारस आंद्राद त्या वेळा वयलो कपेलांव आसलो. तांची इच्छा आसली की फातिमा सायबिणीची एक व्हडली मुर्ती ह्या कपेलाच्या आंगणांत आसची म्हूण. रोखडेच मागीर फादर लाजारस आंद्रादाच्या फुडारपणा खाला आनी सगल्या वाड्याच्या वडिलांनी मेळून डिसेंबराचे 8वेर 1943 ह्या वर्सा फातिमा सायबिणीची मुर्ती कपेलाच्या सायडीक स्थापन केली. त्या वेळार फादर आंद्राद हाणीन आमचो पुराय वाडो सायबिणीच्या बोव निश्कोळोंक काळजाक इमॅक्युलेट हार्ट ऑफ मॅरीक भेटयलो. सायबिणीची मुर्ती बसोवचे पयलीं फादरीन सगल्या वाड्यांतल्या लोकांक आप आपली इतेसांवां बरय म्हूण सांगली आनी 3 इतेसांवां एकठांय करून ती सगलीं इतेसांवां 2 बाटल्यांनी घालून त्यो दोनूय बाटल्यो बुनयादीन भितर घाल्यो आनी ताचे वयर सायबिणीची ही मुर्ती बसयली. आमच्या वाड्यांत घरांत सायबीण भोंवडावपाची रीत ना. फादरीचें मन आसलें की वाड्याच्या सगल्या लोकांनी सायबिणी फुडल्यान एकठांय येवन एक गोराबो कसो पुराय ओयतुंबराच्या म्हयन्यान तेर्स करचो म्हूण. सायबिणींक मुकूट घालपाची परंपरा. मायाचे पयलेर एक आंकवार चेडूं जे रोखडेंच काजाराचो साक्रामेंत जोडपाचो आसा ते धोवी न्हेसोन घालून सगल्या वाड्यांतल्या लोकां सांगाती निसणीर वयर चडून सायबिणीच्या माथ्यार धव्या गुलाबांचो मुकूट घालता. ही परंपरा 1944 ह्या वर्सा सुरू जाली आनी आयज मेरेन 82 वर्सां मेरेन ही परंपरा आमच्या वाड्याच्या लोकांनी जिवी दवरल्या.